How did you realize that the world is filled with kind people? When my son got cancer, he slowly began losing all his friends. They stopped inviting him when they went out and stopped calling to ask how he was doing. He was so disheartened that he stopped fighting as hard, and the cancer got even worse. He was hospitalized with a few other kids who also had cancer. The hospital thought putting them in the same room will make it so they won't be alone. Unfortunately, my son got there after all the kids already became friends, so no one really talked to him that much. He had stopped smiling entirely, and I hated the fact that I couldn't do anything for him. When his 15th birthday came around, I thought I would bake some pie and invite some family members so he wouldn't be lonely. When we got to the hospital, the other kids that were usually in the room with him were missing. My son was in there alone, and that's when the doctor came in and said he needed an urgent checkup. It sucked, since it was his birthday, but his treatment comes first. So I put the pie down and took my son to another room. Well, the doctor opened the door, and instantly I heard, "Happy birthday, Connor." There were around 9 kids, their parents, and most of the hospital staff who were all wearing party hats. These kids were also fighting cancer, and yet they still found the time to decorate the room for him. My son's face lit up with excitement, and then I saw him smile for the first time in weeks. As everyone gave him presents, I had to hide my head away since I was crying happy tears.